Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm sharing this mutton pulao recipe. It's a very simple homemade recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So here I have 2 pounds of boneless mutton. This is boneless mutton. And here I have rice. I'm gonna take some chopped onion, some garlic, and these are the green chilies. Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna add the oil in the pan. So for the rice and the mutton, you have to make sure you have enough oil because this recipe is cooked just because you have enough oil in your pan. Now I'm gonna add the onion and the garlic in here. So here guys, we're gonna stir fry our onion and the garlic until they are golden brown. So this is our 2 pound mutton. We're gonna add all in here, and this is all boneless mutton. Alright, so this is after 5 minutes of frying. I'm adding some black pepper, the powder. Now I'm adding the red chili powder. And guys, this is the masala I'm adding. It's a Mughlai Pulao masala. So we need a little bit help of the extra outside help. Some whole black peppers, some of the clove seeds, and a whole big stick of cinnamon stick. So here we're gonna stir fry this guy for at least 5 minutes. So all the masalas, everything gets stir fried for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add some water in there and we're gonna cook them at least the meat is tender now. So it's gonna take at least 30 minutes for the meat to get soft. Guys, has been fried for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding some water. So after adding water, I'm gonna cook this meat until the meat is soft. So we're gonna wait until the meat is soft, then we're gonna add our raw sela rice in there. Guys, I have added enough water in our boneless meat. So now we're gonna cover it with the lid on top and we're gonna cook it at least for 30 to 40 minutes until the meat is soft. So we're gonna cover it with the lid and we're gonna wait for 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, it's been 40 minutes of boiling our meat. Now we're gonna add some rice, some salt, some Chinese salt in there, and we're gonna cook it at least for another 40 minutes. This is after 40 minutes. So here I have the soaked. These are the soaked sela rice overnight. So I'm adding all sela rice in here. So we're gonna stir up our rice with the meat. Just want to show you guys, this is our meat, and so as you can see, this is almost soft enough. I'm gonna give it a stir. I'm gonna add some fresh red chilies right in here. I'm adding some Ajinomoto, 1 spoon of Ajinomoto. This is the Chinese salt in here. Some regular salt, a half spoon of regular salt. I'm gonna add it here. So here guys, I'm gonna give it a stir. So the meat is soft. Now we're gonna wait for our rice to be cooked with this meat and this gravy. So I would suggest it's gonna take another 30 to 40 minutes on a slow cooking flame. So we're gonna wait at least now another 30 to 40 minutes. We're gonna cover it with the lid on top. And we're gonna check this guy after 30 to 40 minutes now. So this is after 45 minutes. And there is still some water in the rice, as you guys can see. Okay, it's getting there. Now I'm gonna just cover it with the towel right on top. I'm gonna put the lid, flip the towel right on top, and I'm gonna make the heat very slow, so it's gonna be on the low, and we're gonna wait at least for 15 more minutes. So guys, this is 120 minutes of cooking this mutton rice. Let's open our lid and check. I'm pretty sure it's almost done. So as you guys can see, this looks pretty done. I'm gonna take a spoon and I just want to make sure this is all done. Yep, this is all done, guys. So here we go. I'm gonna just dish this guy out, and I'm gonna show you the final product. Yep, this is all done. Alright guys, so our mutton pulao is beautifully done. We're gonna eat this guy with some salad and some yogurt dressing right on top. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another great recipe. Until then, peace out, and do try this recipe. It's very easy, very simple to make. It's gonna take a lot of time, at least 120 minutes of your time, but it's super healthy super great and it's delicious.